Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, in this video we will see the next example wherein we try to find out moment of the force with respect to a line. In this example, the force vector is already known. So we'll see how to solve this example. Now, in this example you can see that we have to compute moment of the force wherein force vector is known to us, which is passing through the position vector. That means the position vector is known for the force rather than giving the 2 points through which the force is passing. It has to be found, like moment has to be found about a line which goes through points B and C, and rather than giving the coordinates, it has given us the position vector. So now what we will be doing in this is we will try to find out the moment of the force F with respect to the line BC. To do that, we will have to take moment of this force first with respect to any one point B or C. Then we can take the dot product to find the magnitude, and then we will just multiply the unit vector of the line BC with the magnitude. We have solved few examples on the basis of this line, where on the basis wherein we have to find the moment of the force with respect to a line. So we'll be taking a similar case over here. Now in this case, since the force vector is known to us, I'll just write down the force vector and then I'll try to take moment of this force vector with respect to point B. Now I need to find out the moment of this force with respect to point B. To do that, to find the moment vector, I need to do cross product of the position vector and the force vector. Now the cross product will be, the position vector R will be the position vector of point A and B. So I'll just write it over here. Position vector for B. Now since it's like about B, so we take B to A as the directing vector. So we have to find the the position vector as A minus B. So that will be 2 minus 5, then 2 minus 4, and this will be 0 minus 8. We have the Fx, Fy and Fz as 30, 40 and 15. We have got the moment vector of the force F with respect to B. Now the next step will be to find out the unit vector of BC. Now once we have got the unit vector BC, we need to just find out the magnitude of the moment that we have. So that will be the dot product the magnitude that we have got happens to be 120.26 Newton meters. Now to find out the moment vector about line BC, we will just multiply this magnitude with the unit vector. So moment vector for the force with respect to line BC will be the magnitude multiplied by the unit vector BC. So this is the moment vector that we have for the force, for the given force F with respect to line BC. So this is how we can calculate the moment vector. I hope you have understood this example. Thank you.